Okay, hello internet. Is it already recorded? Yeah, okay. Hello internet. I am Goran, and this is my first video for my YouTube channel. And as a background, I'm a fresh graduate from University of Indonesia. I was majoring in management. And yeah, I'm in this video I was intended to start my project, which is called Xiao Bing Qilin, which means little ice cream. And yeah, actually, as a context, I am able to code, so it is a tech project uh, that I that I have uh, been thought about thinking about lately, and it is a very sudden for me. Not I'm not well prepared actually, and yeah, I was thinking about if I can create a project on my free time, like on the night, like yes, say that 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. after work. Though I'm still unemployed right now, but yeah, I think in the future, I hope that this project will still continue later. And yeah, so to describe about Xiaoping Qilin, yeah, the motivation is um, I've just started to learn Mandarin this year. I think I started in January 13th this year, and yeah, I was quite struggling to learn Mandarin because it is really new for me. I don't have Chinese parents or Chinese big families like grandparents, uncle, aunt, etc. I don't have. I'm not familiar to Chinese languages or dialects like Mandarin, Hokkien, Hakka, Cantonese, and others. I am not familiar with those languages. And yeah, in this by this project, I hope that I can review the characters that I've learned from online course that I joined in and yeah and other learning sources. And yeah, so oh yeah, as a context, Mandarin is written in Hanzi. Hanzi is a unique character, represent a symbol, like say that represent a cow, represent a cow, represent a person, and yeah, and other things that have that can be written in pinyin. So pinyin is a romanization of the Hanzi, and yeah, pinyin contains of finals, initials, finals, and tones. Yeah, and yeah, so in Xiaoping Qilin, there will be like a pinyin, Hanzi, and the translation in English in the project. And actually, um, why is it named as Xiaobing Qilin? Because I was inspired by John Cena, which he has the famous video that yeah he he held an ice cream, and yeah he spoke Mandarin at the video in the video. And yeah, so Xiao Bing Jilin is a game. Yeah, it's a game, not a website. that is intended to help me personally to review my Mandarin skills. Yeah, I think yeah, I've actually already drafted some of related things about Xiao Bing Qilin, and yeah, and I think today I will write about the project description and the PRD of the first version, the product requirement document. And oh yeah, lastly, I think also to note about why I created a video, why I recorded a video to when I do this project. I think it will help me to um, stay stick to the time that I spare on. So I think it will help me to prevent over yeah, to prevent doing this project overnight, and yeah, and on my focus time. Okay, so I think I will open the GitHub. Yeah, I've already created the GitHub, and I also already created the to-dos, but yeah, I haven't created the project description and the what's it called, the project description, but yeah, we will do this right now. So oh yeah, to mention why I created a project that is personally used for me, because I have done some applications, like maybe 5 or to 6 projects, I think. And yeah, even though it was completed, it has been completed, but yeah, because as it is an engineering project, we need to depend on the user, right? And yeah, it is so it is so how to say it, it is so annoying that we need to meet the market needs. And yeah, I think in my past projects, I haven't been able to meet the market needs, even though yeah, yeah, to sum up, it is about status quo, I think. Okay, I think create the first page, and yeah, this is one of my projects that I've recently built. And yeah, as I mentioned before, even though it is finished on the first version, but since I saw that there is no potential users after I share it to the LinkedIn, so I think yeah, it is better to focus on my problems first than other others, because yeah, we don't know, because people change, people change in a wink, right? And yeah, I because it is only me, it is only done by me, I think it is also about time, right? I need to spare my I need to spare a huge time. So I think if I continue this project when it is not my problem, but it is other problems, is quite waste of time for me, right? Okay, so I've ever created this. So in the project description, we need home. Yeah, actually it is called home, I mean. And in the contents, we have context, we have issues, and we have motivations. Okay. So first, we need to do the context. What heading is it? Heading 3. Okay, so context. Text. I think inside of the context, I need to tell about the Mandarin first. Mandarin. Oh, I think I need to tell about the Chinese culture first. Chinese culture, or maybe why learn Chinese culture, right? Why learn Chinese culture? Chinese culture. Why learn Mandarin? I think I don't need the motivation, right? Because it's already context. Why learn Mandarin? Why? Sorry, how does it look? Do we have to? I think I need to see Wikipedia as a reference. Wikipedia. Mandarin Chinese. Guanhua. So it's called Guanhua. History. Chinese. I think the first question is not maybe why learn the simplified version. Yeah, because China, my mainland China uses simplified. Name, history. Yeah, obviously I won't write the history, right? Maybe I write the yeah, I think before write about the Chinese culture, I think we need to I think I need to focus first on why China. Maybe why China, or I learn Mandarin, or maybe I need to jump first on the issues. Yeah, I think the first issue is there is no there are limited alternatives for learning languages. There are no language learning app that focuses on Chinese. Maybe they are limited. Limited language learning app that focuses. And then okay. After limited, I think there are how to say, like a slow paced learning, because we have to say it like really slow pace. I think maybe should yeah, I think we need to find the say that this is for the Duolingo. Yeah, why I say that it is limited to find app that focus on Chinese, because yeah, many apps that kind of like learn for all languages, like Duolingo and Memrise and Drops. It is those are those are not personalized for Chinese, because Chinese kind of like different from other languages, because yeah, in terms of the writing system, in terms of the defining the words, it is kind of different from other languages. Yeah, there are some that focus on Chinese, but it is limited, as I said before. And then after that, oh yeah, I think still talking about Duolingo and other apps. I think there were some experiences that that I was given like nonsense sentences. I think yeah, it should be included too, like non-common vocabularies. Not really non-common, but like say that I as a business student, as a business alumni, obviously not obviously doesn't care about like medical things, like yeah, or specific fruit that are not common, like say rambutan. I think I don't need to know about Mandarin for rambutan, right? Maybe I just want to know about apple or mango or yeah, those fruits that are common that I eat in my case in my uh, country Indonesia. I think yeah, it's used non uh, 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 mm, not frequently used or rarely used vocabularies in daily life. Yeah, instead of memorizing about like um some distinct fruits or some rare fruits, maybe I'm more need to know about like colors or uh, conjunctions or like um, pronouns, yeah, that are more common to be used. And this is for the uh, focus or specialization. Is kind of like um, work bank or uh, bank or knowledge network. How to say it like that? Yeah, maybe we'll talk about it later. And I think the next one is oh, yeah, I think I also want to um, be able to customize my learning, right? Because say that um, me um, yes, say that when I learn a certain language compared to others learn a certain language, it is obviously like we learn different vocabulary, right? I think it's it is also an issue that to kind of like have a saved words or maybe saved customized word banks, maybe custom personalization. um, actually there is, I think, Laoshi. Yeah, it is quite a nice app, I think, but I think it is for me. It is visually too much for me. I think because it is more about it is a more of a dictionary for me, not a language learning app. It is very nice about the feature that we can save yeah, this one your own word list recognize and share them. Yeah, customize word pen. Yeah, so I can update by content management system from time to time, right? To customize personal word pen. Early used. Yeah, I think also next one is free to use. Free or freedom, maybe. Free of ads and premium content. Okay, I think this one is the most important one. Really used vocabularies in daily life. Familiarity. Okay, I think we go to the last one. Maybe I missed one thing. Videos. Really read and listen. This is the most important one, I think. Yeah, wait, let me recheck. Videos and tip speakers, and listen to fun stories. Okay. 大树来北京以前想知道北京天气怎么样？你什么时候去北京？When? Okay, speaking. Master Chinese characters in no time. A conversation. Motivation. Ni hao. Stay motivated with. What is this? How to play this game? I think I haven't tried this one yet. I think. Yeah, I don't know, but I think I have tried this app, and I think it is quite. It's more of app, not a game, because I was intended to create a game, right, with this Shao Bing Jillian. Okay, I think fun. Yeah. Instead of gamification, it is a game that use appification. So game that is appified, not game centric, not app centric. Okay, that sums up. Big, okay. Is the right word for this? Non-customizable. Non-customizable. Okay. Word journey. Okay. I think I need to write the description of the issues first. Limited language learning apps that focus on Chinese. I need to use an app that focus on Chinese, that is built especially for learning Chinese. I need to use an app that teaches me frequently used words. Maybe I need to learn a language, Chinese, by practicing the frequently used words. I need to keep up to date with my new words in learning Chinese. Need to keep up to date with new words in my I need to update my personal journey learning Chinese. It's kind of like the ancient era that I bring a scroll, maybe like to learn new language, and I write it down to keep it to help me memorize the new words. I need to update my, and yeah, I need to get rid of distracting, irrelevant content. I need to focus. I need to focus on learning Chinese without distraction. I need to learn Chinese without any distractions. Hard to find concentric. I need to learn Chinese by myself. not be freely without forced to learn Chinese without forced to do. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for the issues. And yeah, I think we need to context. Why? Yeah, I think we need to think structurally. Before talking about the culture, I think we need to, because Chinese, it is a culture, and yeah, that the people spread around the world. Like, yeah, there are Chinese in yeah, I think before we talk specifically about Chinese, I think we need to talk about the country first, about China. Why interested in China, maybe? Yeah, or actually, there are many China-related countries, like Hong Kong and Taiwan. Maybe, yeah, I think first China, because I actually interested to learn Chinese because of Singapore too, actually, because there are many Chinese speakers there, I think. China, Chinese. I think we need to focus on China first on this. Chinese or Chinese, Mandarin, simplified. Chinese, Mandarin, simplified. Let's see. Mandarin. Oh, I think before China, world. Yeah, I think it's good. So the first question is, why learn other languages? Why learn foreign languages? Why learn a foreign language? Yeah, especially because I'm an Indonesian, which the language is not widely used other than the Malay countries. Yeah, Indonesian actually is derived by Malay. Yeah. So we mainly speak. We have to learn English, obviously to speak with the world globally. And yeah, I think the first question is why learn a foreign language. So after why learn a foreign language, because the first global language is English. I think. Oh no! I think I can pull not directly on Mandarin, but pull down to the China. I think China versus US. Oh, talking about the influence. I mean, like the social influence. Maybe why do I learn a foreign language? Language is just a symbol. So why interact with the foreign countries? Yeah, because I may don't need to learn foreign language if I only interact with locals, right? Why interact with foreign countries? Why interested in learning China influences? Why maybe why influenced? Why do I need to interact with foreign the world? Really, the world globally. Why am I influenced? Why influenced by China? Why China is one of the why China influenced me to learn them? Why China attracts me as the influence to attract me, and then why do I need to learn Mandarin than other dialects? I choose to simplify first. Why Chinese culture? Why do I interested? Why am I interested to learn culture? Wait. So why am I? Why is? No. Why are I? So why am I? Why am I interested to learn Chinese culture? Why China has the influence? Why am I attracted to China influence in the world? Learn Mandarin. Why do I learn? Okay. Yeah. I think the first question. Wait. One, two. Why do I need to interact with the global? Why with the world globally? Yeah. World. we live in an object. We live in the space that as a human we are connected with each other. Yeah, maybe I can do it later actually, because it is too philosophical. Yeah, I think it can be done in one record, I think, to be edited. Okay. Okay, the home. If we're done the home. Yeah, next one I think will be the PRD. Okay, so I add a new page. Or I think I can turn it to point instead of yeah, I can do it later actually. Yeah, create a new page. Next one about the PRD. Okay, so create the version 1. Yeah, I have this. Yeah, for this I think I also need to do the description about the task. Like this. criteria. Okay, PRD version 1. Can copy this. So I target the release to be the last date of the month in a year, the last possible date, I think 28th, right? 28th of February. So I put it as 28th of April 2024. And objective, this is metrics, users given the when the shows the okay. As a user, I want to so that yeah. If we see a software project, yeah, if we see a web or an app, maybe we see it as a simple app, or yeah, but if we see the behind the scene like this, it is quite complicated to manage the project. As a user, this is the second one. Okay, the context. What is the context? The context, we currently don't have use in philosophy. Okay. Context. Yeah, so for the first version, I target this version to be the best possible to be used. And yeah, I targeted feature for Pinyin, to learn Pinyin. And yeah, so the context, but wait, well, when is my my final exam is 20 actually. 20. Maybe the target release will be faster than I thought. So it will be, since it's already 26th of March, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. Maybe I target it in 2 weeks. Is it too fast for me? Yeah, maybe I need to be optimistic first. Maybe 2 weeks. 9 March. I mean 9 April. 9th of April. Wait. 6th of April. Oh yeah, 6th of April. 6th of April. So the context is I'm on the way of my final exam, of my Mandarin final exam. That will be held on 20th of April 2024. The objective is the first version will be to declare of my, yeah, it's obvious, maybe the first version is intended to help me practice my pinyin listening. Because I was I had a mistake. One number out of 20 out of yeah 20 or 15, I think, at my midterm exam. So I think for this one I need to practice my opinion again. The success metrics is, yeah, my final score of final exam. I targeted as a nation 100. Score of final exam is 100. Okay, maybe requirements. Requirements. Maybe I need to check in my template first. The requirements. Yeah, the first one, as a user, I want to wait. Let's see. As a user, I want to play sound of the pinyin. Play the pinyin sound. Play the sound so that I know which pinyin it is it refers to. As a user, I want to be able to input my answer so that I can express my thought, my guess. As a user, I want to be able to choose to pick to see pinyin parts so that I can choose so that I can build by the choices. By choices. I want to pick opinion parts so that I can build one by choice. By the choices. Be able. I want to be just straight to. I want to input my answer. Express my guess. As a user, I want to check my answer so that I can see whether I am correct or not. So play the sound. Opinion. Pick the opinion parts. Play the sound. Pick the opinion parts. Input answer. Sorry. I want to check my answer. Clear button. Then, as a user, I want to continue to the next question so that I can shape my skill so that I can learn new ones so that I can learn the others. Okay, so play the sound, pick the opinion part, so it's kind of like the clue, and then see the choices. The clue and see the choices and input the answer and then check the answer if it's correct or not, and then see the solution obviously, and then continue to the next question. Okay, so the first one, even when the app is open, when the sound button is clicked, then play the opinion sound. Given when the app is opened, even the given the question is shown, yeah, because it is only one menu, so I mean it is only one page, so I mean if we navigate to the web page, it will be directed to navigate to the question. When the question is shown, when the sound button, when the answer, when the finals, when the initials, finals, tones is picked, then update the state of the current guess. Opinion, but oh, sorry. When the shown, when the opinion parts drop down, shown, given the opinion parts drop downs are shown when the drop down is clicked, show possible choices. Given the opinion part choices are shown when one of the choice is clicked, then update the current answer. When the question is shown, when the button is clicked, given the question is shown, when the sound button is clicked, then play the opinion sound. Given the opinion parts drop downs are shown when one of the drop down is clicked, then I want to see opinion parts choices, see possible opinion parts. So that I can I want to see possible opinion parts so that it helped me to think out the answer. Helps me to think so that possible opinion parts, so that it helps me to think. Given the opinion parts, drop downs. Given the opinion parts, drop downs are shown. When one of the drop down is clicked, then show the possible choice. Put my answer. I want to input my answer so that I can express my guess. Given the opinion part, choices are, I think given the opinion part is inputted, given the possible choices, possible parts is shown, given the possible opinion part is shown, are shown when one of the choice is clicked, then update the current answer. Choices is clicked. As a user, I want to check my answer so that I can see whether I'm correct or not. So given the answer, all of the answer, given the current answer is completed, when submit button is clicked, then check the and match the answer then check the match with the actual answer. When the submit button is clicked, then match with actual answer. As a user, I want to continue to the next question so that I can learn with the others. Given the answer is checked, when continue button is clicked, then randomize question, randomize to the next question. Okay, I think that's all for the PRD. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for now, for tonight. I think my homework is the tomorrow will be the, inshallah, will be the this one for the context and the description of each of the tasks. Okay, thank you, bye.